Why throw away lemon peels? The lemon peels you are looking at, guys, is very good for multi-purpose. You can use your lemon peels around the house. You can use it in the kitchen. It's very good for cleaning. It contains antibacterial. You can actually use it for disinfectant spray as well. You can use it to mop. You can use it in the bathroom, guys. Add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Leave the 2 lemon in the baking powder water for roughly 30 minutes. I want you guys to watch this video from the beginning to the end. Please don't skip this video. If you are new to this channel, my name is Becky. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button, share this video, give this video thumbs up, turn on the notification bell. I upload video once or twice in a week. Here is one of the sample of how you can use what you have in your kitchen to make what you need. So what I'm doing there, I make my own funnel because I didn't know where I keep my own. So I make use of my tin first to make a funnel. So that is what is called DIY, do it yourself. That is power of do it yourself. So I make funnel out of tin foil. So I'm going to be keeping the lemon juice in the fridge. You can do the same thing, keep it in the fridge for months because it's citrus fruit. It never go hot, so I use it a lot. I use it for my diet. I use it for my coffee to get rid of my stubborn fat belly. So guys, I'm going to make a coffee out of it, then I'll keep the rest. Lemon peel contains antibacterial substance that may inhibit microorganism growth. So we're going to dice the lemon peels. So dice it in any shape you want. Get a container, any container you like. Add water, add any dishwasher liquid or any washing liquid. Add up to 1 tablespoon and add essential oil. I drop almost 20 drops of essential oil. Shake it very well. Use it to mop. Spray it immediately. As you can see, I'm spraying my own. I'm cleaning my kitchen and I'm mopping the floor. If this really help you, I want you to share this video. Subscribe to my channel. The notification bell should be in case if I upload any video, you're going to be get notified. Stay blessed. Bye for now.